Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kritika and I hope you all are doing good. So as you all know that summers are here and there's only one thing in summer that we are all afraid of, and that is getting tanned. But don't you worry, I recently came across this product which helps detan the skin, and that is Ikkai Tomatina Detan Pack. This detan pack helps in soothing and lightening the skin. It removes tan within 10 minutes. So it is infused with the goodness of real tomatoes, which is your quick fix for tanned skin. So first of all, I really like the packaging of the product. I really like how pretty this is, and it comes in a tub like this. And the texture of this product is so smooth and buttery. So this mask is gel based and it helps to soothe down the uneven skin tone. It lightens the effect of tan and heals the skin to make it look rejuvenated and brightened. Also, this product is organic, so it is safe to use 2 or 3 times a week. So let's quickly apply and try the product and let's see how it works on my skin. So the texture of this mask is so smooth and buttery that it easily glides on my skin. The fragrance in this product is essential oil blend, so it's a good thing that it does not have any artificial fragrance in it. So I have applied the product all over my face and I'm going to keep it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll wash it off with water. So you can see now how my skin is looking. It's looking quite even toned and very brightened. So I have observed that with regular use of this product, you can actually get rid of your tan. Also, this product is free from preservatives and it is cruelty free also. And also this is for all skin types. Also, this retails for 545 rupees for 50 gram of product, but I'm sure you can find it on discount on various platforms. So I hope you really like this product as much as I did. And if you're interested to check out this product, then do check the description box below. And I'm definitely going to use this Ikkai Tomatina Detan face pack in summers. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you really liked it and I'll see you very soon in my next video.